Buckingham Palace says Prince Harry is to attend his father's coronation next month, but his wife Meghan will stay at home in California with the couple's children. It'll be the first time that the Duke of Sussex has been seen with the royal family since his memoir was published. Our royal correspondent Nicholas Witchell reports.
They've kept the royal family waiting, but finally Harry and Meghan have replied to the palace's invitation. Harry will be coming to the coronation, but Meghan will not. She's remaining in California for their son Archie's 4th birthday. It means Harry will have to face his family alone. A family that he hasn't seen since the state funeral of the late Queen Elizabeth last September. And relations, which weren't terribly good then, have taken a turn for the worse in the months since. First, there was the Netflix series in which Harry and Meghan set out their version of why they'd felt driven out by a hostile media and an unfeeling family.
We know the full truth. The institution knows the full truth.
And then there was Harry's book, Spare, which disclosed private family moments, including the claim that William had once pushed him to the ground, Kate had been cold towards Meghan, and family members had leaked stories to the press. In a TV interview, Harry said that if he came to the coronation, he hoped the family would face up to these issues.
There's a lot to be discussed, and I really hope that they are willing to sit down and talk about it.
Now we know Harry is coming to the coronation, though without Meghan. And the question, how will the family respond to him?
We know there are still tensions with his brother William, who he's barely spoken to. And we've heard a lot from Harry over the last few months with his book and his Netflix documentary, so it's going to be tricky for William and the rest of the family. But I think when all said and done, the King will be really pleased at the end of the day that his youngest son is going to be there by his side on Coronation Day.
Harry will have a ringside seat in Westminster Abbey. Officials will be hoping that his presence doesn't become too much of a distraction. Nicholas Witchell, BBC News.